you doing? What are you beeping for? Yeah, little bitch. I'm a nice guy, bro. I'm a nice... Come on, boys. Again, on a CBR650. We just had both of the tyres changed. So, we're just cruising back home. There's crazy traffic. I'm just going to try and bed the tyres in a little bit. Yeah, but I can't lie, she feels a lot better now though. I feel a bit more sat up. So, yeah, boys. Another vlog. I'm going to cut through this traffic. Yeah, I can't lie, the UK weather at the minute has been clapped. Right, it's been red hot, raining. Right now, it's just sweating. Come on, bro, we've got some gear 6R. Yeah, fresh tyres on. He's feeling good. Come on, boys. Their bike's out today, though. Boys, come on. Obviously, trying to take my time a little bit. Get used to these tyres. So good, though. Yeah, I can't lie, it feels a lot better with these fresh tyres on. Come on, boys. Stop the bed in a bit, you know what I mean? I don't want the tyre just to skid out on me and just end up in being someone, I don't know, back garden or something. So wait till these get better in a little bit more. It should be alright, but you know, safe and sorry, you know how it is. I'm just riding like a vegan at the minute. I can't even lie to you, boys. I'm gonna be able to tomorrow if I'm gonna move like an NPC. Come on, boys. We ain't no vegan riders. Come on, boys. It's alright, we're on a bike, boys. Come on. We're not messing about. Yeah, that's one thing about bikes now, I can't lie. The traffic's just ain't really the stress like that. It's not really a stress like that, you know what I mean? Well, it's cool though. So, I mean, some people just can see the mirrors. Shout out to my bro, come on. Oh, what's this guy doing, bro? I bet it's going. Come on, boy, we're just caught through. My bro, come on. Yeah, this is too quiet, man. The vegan bike at the minute. She's alright, she's alright. She's good. Come on, boys, we'll just caught through. bro's hairline and that. Old school. Yeah, I can't lie, this kind of weather just gets me kind of like F-talking away. Sun's out, but it starts raining, it just gets all like sticky and whatnot. Not comfortable, man, not comfortable. I can't lie, I've got like a winter gear anyway. So, well, I was gonna say I need summertime stuff, but flipping it, we're kind of late on it. I mean, don't get me wrong, still some sort of summertime left, but I don't know, man, you know how it is in the UK. It could be snowing, raining and flipping 40 degrees at the same time. But another thing, obviously, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button. I'm on the road to hitting 500 subscribers by end of this year. I mean, if you could reach that, I would absolutely appreciate that. If not, I'm going to grab one of you lot in a headlock and just, yeah, how big the channel's going to get, you know. It's just one of them ones. Sound a bit much too. Yeah, but I can't lie, boys. I don't know about you lot or you people, you know, whoever's watching. But anyway, I'm that kind of guy where like, I don't ride any bike for a couple of days, man. I don't feel good, you know what I mean? Just something's missing, you know, something's missing. So when I get back on the bike, I feel good, boys. I feel good. You know how it is. If you're riding, you know, obviously, you know the vibes anyway. I want to hit some corners here, but I don't know how, like, I can't lie, bro's bummy a bit still, but these tyres are fresh. And imagine that, I watched one of my boys just get new tyres on his S1K, and he pulled off, and then broski nearly like bend it. So let's take my time a little bit. I feel good though, like I don't feel like I'm going to be slipping and sliding and doing some crazy stuff, but I don't know, man. I want to take my time a little bit, bear them in a little bit, but 100% there's a difference in them already. Come on. Why are you doing this, eh? Oh my god. I need a flip and dip or something on this. You know how it is, boys. Come on, boys. Shut it, bro. What are you doing? Come here, come here. Come here, bro. What? Oh, prick. What are you beeping for? Yeah, shut up, bro. You won't pull that anyway, little fool. I'm up it. You're taking this to pull out. Yeah, little window before a little prick. Little boy. I hate people like that, man. It's taking ages to pull out, yeah, so, you know, I'm gonna fight, you know, whatever. Some people say, oh, you know, whatever, bro. I was trying to be alright, and obviously both taking longer to pull out, so yeah. Alright, bro. Flipping covers, man. Anyway, boys, I'm just trying to enjoy the bike. First tyres on it, yeah? The weather's looking. Yes. Anyway, if you like this kind of videos, well, obviously not this one, I can't lie, but this ain't really me. I can't lie, I just like to enjoy my bikes, man, but some people just chat doo-doo, bro. I can't lie. Put it about here, this kind of video. Make sure you subscribe, slap your little comments. And obviously if you're new to the channel, check out my old videos. Obviously, don't get me wrong, I don't, this ain't what I do. Like, I do, but it's not like what I do. But anyway, just enjoy it, man. Obviously, if you don't know me like that, then get to know me, boys. Come on, join the channel. We've got another one there. Come on, CBR and that. I'm a nice guy, bro. I'm a nice guy. I really am, but sometimes things just come out automatically. I can't lie. I'm gonna call it here, boys.